Right here I have the perfect two-piece summer outfit that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm gonna be going over Zity's two-piece oversized summer set. Now this comes in a bunch of different colors. You can get like green, blue, black, gray. I ended up opting for the black and I think it looks absolutely amazing. Now this style is gonna be acid wash, so it's gonna have a really nice vintage style look. I definitely love it. This is gonna be made with a cotton material, so it's gonna be really nice. It's gonna have a little bit of weight to it. It's also not gonna be something super heavy, so you could definitely wear this in the summer, no problem. I love the oversized look on it. The sleeves come down to close to the bottom of my elbows, about the crease of my arm. Look really nice. We have a nice collar on here as well and fits the neck perfectly. This is gonna be a size large for the pants and the shirt. I'm 150 pounds, 5'11", and this is what the large looks like. I'm usually a size 32 to 34 on the waist. The size large pants were measured at 32, so I ended up going with those. They do fit really good. We're also gonna have two front pockets that are pretty deep, can definitely fit my phone, no problem. And we're also gonna get these cool drawstrings as well. They're not really gonna have end caps, they're gonna be like frayed, so it's gonna give you a nice style. It's gonna be more so like a streetwear. I love that style. Fat lace, and it's gonna have a nice contrast too. You could tie these up, so they are pull string, so if this is a little bit loose on you, you can always just tighten them up, especially if you just have a couple things in your pocket and then you won't be able to see that string at all. This is actually not going to feature any back pockets, but that's all right because the front pockets are very deep. We're also going to have an elastic on here as well, so it's just going to be a super comfy kit. Lightweight, it's breathable. The set just fits really good. It's going to drop a little bit below my knees, which is definitely the oversized look that everybody's going for right now. Everything is just going a little bit longer. The short shorts are starting to go away. The skinny jeans are starting to go away. And we're starting to see a lot more of this. This is a great set. This is something that I would wear out to a party, just everyday wear, out to hang out. I'd lounge around the house, even play sports in this. It's something that you can wear pretty much in any activity. Take this on vacation with you, super comfortable. And with it being really baggy and oversized, it just makes it so much more comfortable to wear on the daily. So I highly recommend this. Make sure you check out all the other colors they have to offer. This is a great kit, and I'm probably gonna get a couple more colors for my closet. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video.